Hello everyone, so we are back again and right now I'm showing you a procedure of non-surgical rhinoplasty, also known as liquid rhinoplasty. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So guys, this is a non-surgical rhinoplasty which is done with the help of fillers which last for about 2 to 2.5 years, and the filler that we are using right now is Restylane.
Restylane Lift. So this Restylane Lift filler is specifically meant for upliftment for those bony and soft tissue areas where lift portion is very much important rather than to volumize that area. So the quality of this particular filler is we will achieve a good optimum amount of lift in that particular soft tissue and hard tissue areas with very lesser amount of filler, and also the longevity is very much punchier, so it will last for 2 to 2.5 years for rhinoplasty cases, for liquid rhinoplasty things. So here in this particular case we are doing enhancement of nasal bridge portion to complete tip of the nose. So for this typical Asian type of facial anatomy, Asian nose, we are doing it for upliftment of her nasal tip enhancement and doing correction for proportionate nasal profile from starting tip area to bridge area.
Okay, so guys, let me just not disturb Dr. Adarsh and very quickly give you some pointers. So non-surgical rhinoplasty is one of the most sought out procedures right now because A, it is non-surgical, B, it is not time consuming at all. It is just a 15 minutes procedure. So after applying numbing cream for 45 minutes, the procedure just takes around 10 to 15 minutes to be completed, and it lasts for good 2.5 years. Also, there is absolutely no downtime, no bruising, nothing at all. It's also kind of a lunchtime procedure. So if you guys have any queries regarding this procedure, kindly DM us. And I think that's all for now, but do stay tuned guys. Exactly after half an hour I'm coming live. I have another patient waiting there for a chin implant surgery. So very quickly I will be showing you a chin implant surgery after half an hour.
Here you can show very much instant upliftment in her bridge area.
Yes.
This is called a bridge area, and we are making it towards in a single straight line to her tip of the nose.
Yes, so instant result guys in just about 10 to 15 minutes. Not even 15 minutes. आप देखो अभी हमें 4-5 मिनट हुआ लाइव गए and almost we are through with the procedure. Are you having any pain, ma'am?
No.
Okay, and it is a comfortable procedure as well, as the filler that we are injecting comes with anesthesia. Is this procedure permanent? What's the cost? No, this lasts for 2.5 years, and any queries regarding this procedure guys, you can please DM us and we will be happy to help you out. So that's all for now. And Dr. Adarsh, you want to say something else or should we log out? I think that's enough for a live.
So guys, these fillers are very much in nowadays to enhance any body area, any facial area. You can contour any facial portion, whether it is for your temple region or cheek area, for nose, lips, chin, whatever area you want to enhance. It has a quite sudden quick results, and also they are reversible, so you don't have to get scared of this thing. Once you will go for these filler treatments and it will not be reversible. So definitely these are hyaluronic acid HA based fillers. They are totally reversible. If you are not liking it or if you are allergic to it, so we can reverse it to 0.
And guys, hyaluronic acid fillers are the only fillers that are available in the market which come with a reversal. None of the other fillers are having any kind of a reversal. So before you go for a filler at any clinic, you should know what you are getting injected. And hyaluronic is a natural substance. It is already present in our body. So any kind of an allergic reaction is quite rare. So that's all for now, guys. Bye bye. Dr. Adarsh say bye.
Bye guys.
Keep tuned in for the results. We will posting the results very soon. Bye bye. And do come back after half an hour for the chin implant live. Bye.